For those of you who are new to my story, a couple days ago, something got one of my peahens out of this spot right here. I've tried to fill in the gap. It's not big enough for them to get out of, but apparently it was big enough for something to get in. The breeder said that he believed it might have been a possum. Oh, why won't focus? So I'm just trying to show you guys what I've got first. Completely covered. But for obvious reasons, we'll be adding a little more coverage. Whee! Mind your head. We got birches. Okay, so improvement number 1 is food and water bowls are in the middle of the thing, not near the side. You made birches. This used to be a well house, and we have it converted into a coop. Hi. Hi. You guys want to come out in the light where people can see you? Come on, Lizzie. This is Lizzie. This is Lizzie. This is the new girl. I'm told girl. And she's 5 months old. Look at all those bars. Buffy is 6 months old. She's a month older. And you guys know from when I've posted so many pictures of them. At 5 months old, Buffy did not have that many bars. And the breeder tells me it's an Indian blue. So they're the same breed. And there's even barring on the wing. Ah! Yeah, Lizzie's still not used to us. Come here, Lizzie. Come here, Lizzie. Come here, Lizzie. Gotta show me your wings. Hold on. Hold on. Give me a second. Ugh. Lizzie. Lizzie, where are you going? Lizzie. I just need a wing. Give me a wing. Okay, well. There are stripes even on the wings. And there are earlier pictures that I posted. Hi, Buffy. Hi. I don't know if Buffy is. I think Buffy's happy with the company. But I don't think she really knows Lizzie yet. Yeah. So Buffy still prefers to hang out with me.